Yes, my dear student, everyone fine? I know at this point of time, everyone is absolutely fine with all your preparation. As I always say, right now you should focus on your preparation. Don't overthink about result. Result is just an outcome of your preparation. More you think about result, you will become less effective. You will not be able to concentrate on your preparation, and of course it will affect your studies. Right now, you should focus on your preparation, not on result. Correct? Now, in this video, I just want to give you a clarification regarding one of the questions for which solution has been modified by the ICAI in their revised study material. The question is from India's 20. The question is well known. Let us understand that what actually the solution which has been modified. Of course, this particular question is expected from examination point of view, so you should listen this particular video and get a clarification about the solution. Now, what is the question? This is a question of India's 20 practice question of ICAI study material. Question number 2. NTDA is awarded a government grant of 60,000 receivable over 3 years. 40,000 in year 1, 10,000 in year 2 and 10,000 in year 3. Contingent on creating 10 new jobs, maintaining them for 3 years. The employee are recruited at a total cost of 30,000 and the wage bill for the first year is 1 lakh, rising by 10,000 in each of the subsequent year. I hope you remember this question. Then they have said calculate a grant income and deferred income. Grant income, how much income to be recognized in PL and how much will be deferred income to be shown in the balance sheet as a liability, to be accounted for in the books for the year 1, 2, 3 under the following two situations. They have given two situations. First, there is a reasonable assurance that the entity will comply with the condition attaching to them and the grant will be received. For this, solution is not modified. Means in this case, entire 60,000 will be recognized in year 1. Got this point? Means our journal entry will be grant receivable to deferred grant 60,000, and that 60,000 will be allocated in year 1, year 2, year 3 as a grant income in the ratio of expenses whatever has been given. So for this, solution has not been modified. Let me first give the solution, means let me revise the solution of this particular point. Correct? So what is the solution? You can see this is the solution when both the condition whatever has been given under India's 20 has been satisfied. So you can see this was the labor cost of first year 30,000 plus 1 lakh. Second year increase, the wage bill increased by 10,000, 1 lakh 10,000, and third year it is 1 lakh 20,000. This 60,000 will be allocated in this ratio. This will be the grant income to be recognized in PL. So our initial journal entry is grant receivable to deferred income. So out of deferred income, how much you have transferred to the first year? 21,667. So your deferred income at year end will be 60,000 minus 21,667. Then second year you have recognized 18,333. Correct? So your deferred income will be 38,333. Means this was deferred income at year end 1 minus 18,333. So that will become 20,000 deferred income at year end 2. Then entire 20,000 will be recognized in year 3 and deferred income at year end 3 will be 0. This was very simple. Now, what was the second part of this question where the solution has been modified? However, when you used to do this particular question in class, we used to follow ICAI solution. I used to mention that follow ICAI solution. Now, of course, institute have understood that of course the solution whatever was given previously that was not correct. So there is no reasonable assurance that grant will be received. Whenever one of the conditions given under India's 20 is not satisfied, then we recognize grant income as and when received. It means in year 1 we can recognize 40,000, in year 2 we recognize 10,000, and year 3 we recognize 10,000. Understood? Got this point? So you can see they have modified the allocation part. So this is the new particular solution to grant income. This grant receivable deferred income will be recognized in the first year, and this 40,000 received. Correct? Means in your previous solution what they have done? In previous solution they have allocated 60,000 in the ratio of this. But now what they have done? First year, because we have only received 40,000, so we can allocate only 40,000 in the ratio of expenses, in the ratio of whatever expenses given. So you can see 40,000 has to be allocated to 3 years in this ratio. Then 10,000 we receive in second year. So 10,000 we received in second year, 10,000 will be allocated in second and third year. In which ratio? In the ratio of 1,10,000 and 1,20,000. 1,10,000 and 1,20,000, and 10,000 again you receive in the third year. So 10,000 whatever you receive third year will be recognized in third year only. You can see 10,000 has been entirely recognized in third year. So what you receive in first year, that is allocated to all the 3 years in the ratio of labor cost. Whatever you received in second year, that will be allocated to second year and third year in the ratio of labor cost of second year and third year. Whatever you received in third year, that will be recognized as a income in the third year entire amount. Understood? So you can see 14,445 will be grant income first year. How much you have received? 40,000. So your deferred income at year end when will be 40,000 minus 14,445 means 25,555. Correct? Understood this point? Now grant income of second year will be 12,222 plus 4,783. Understood? So how much you have total received? 50,000, 40,000 plus 10,000. Out of 40,000 plus 10,000, first year how much you have transferred to PL? 14,445. Second year how much you have transferred? 12,222 and 4,783. The balance will be deferred income. You can see they have done that only. 50,000 minus first year grant income and second year grant income, whatever left, that will be deferred income at year end 2. Deferred income at year end 2. Then third year, this will be your grant income. The sum total of these three will be grant income. Correct? And can I say, of course, deferred income at year end 3 will be 0. Means what you can do, 60,000 minus all these three, that will become nil. This is the new solution, modified solution. So now you are supposed to follow this only. Correct? Once you go through this particular question, because of course expected. Are you of course expected from examination point of view? Why I am saying this? Because this question, whatever the previous solution was given, that was not actually correct. But of course in class we used to follow IC solution. You know that whenever there is some wrong solution, we say that even the wrong follow IC solution in class. But now 100% the answer whatever is given is correct. Follow this only. Understood? This was a clarification regarding India's 20 question. I hope you have understood. Once again I will say at the end, few days are left. Don't think much about result. You have done well for your preparation. Whatever preparation you are doing, that will be only considered for your result. So if you are wasting time right now overthinking about result, so that will eliminate something from your life. So right now concentrate on your study. Don't think about result. Focus on your preparation, and believe me, leave everything with the God. God will always be with you and will be with you for the best part of your life. Understood? All the best for your preparation, all the best for your exam, all the best for your result. Bye. Well, love you all.